the lens is the FD 17mm F2.8. I find that you really need to set everything to manual when you use this lens for video. So that includes white balance to the situation, so sunny day, set it to a sunny day. Don't do auto white balance, especially when you use a neutral density filter, even a cheap one. You'll get a funny color cast. I've got attached with the speed booster, and we don't know if I'll be in focus because I've just set it manually. It's very bright, as you can see. I'm squinting. Some of the other FD lenses, the whole external barrel rotates for focusing, so that makes it difficult, especially when you got an ND filter attached, because that means you've got to rotate both parts. As with this lens here, it's probably one of the few in existence, has the focusing barrel rotates separate from the front nose of the lens. So I can just set this ND filter to help the exposure. So yeah, I'll set the shutter speed to 180 degrees, and I'll close down the aperture. It's about f11 on this now, and yeah, manually do your white balance. And that's the setup. And not a bad little setup. It's small and nimble. You can easily hold the camera to your face. I do have the small rig cage attached, and a small rig wood handle that's made out of wood. And not many people really pick up on you walking around with this setup because it's small, it's not intrusive, and so far so good. Focal length wise, it does. It includes 17mm. You got to ×2 on the crop factor, but also add into account that it is a speed booster. So I might write down those calculations in the description box. But we'll have a look and see what the skin tones look like too once I have a look at this on the computer. But there you go. This is the first, well, it's actually the second video that I've done showing the sample recording using this Canon FD lens, and I'll go through for all the other FD lenses all the way up to 135mm, maybe 70 to 200, and do probably around 1 minute snippet recordings just for the blog and the website. And that concludes this lens test for the 17mm. Thanks for watching.